Hi there and welcome back. Just a quick video to show you one of the newer kits that I've created. This one's called Floral Botanicals. It's one Denise is going to be using. So these first three are actually freebies on Patreon. Okay. And the rest is the normal kit. So it's 35 pages. It's just one kit. So here are the journal pages. So we've got lace down the middle. I printed this on white, and I think it's about 180 GSM. I was noticing when I was printing on cream and showing it on camera, it was looking a lot darker than they actually was. Okay, and then we've got some full sheets which can be used landscape or portrait. So they're both like William Morris type prints. And then I've got two like collage pieces, so it's like the background to these. I've just taken the images off them, and then that's got all the labels off them. Okay, and then with a couple of plain ones which are great for backing and making ephemera, and then you can decorate it up. So that's those. So they are the the papers. Like I say, it is just one full kit. Everything comes together apart from those freebies. So we've got 3 images here that can be journal cards, and then these lovely embroidered birds which you can have a play with. Got a little folio here which you could put pockets in. There's a diagram here how you can fit them, or you could put some papers in there if you wanted a little notebook. Got some little journal cards here, and then some bigger journal cards which could be used as pockets. You could just stick them down, or you could put oh my goodness, a gusset on them. There's enough space to put a gusset in. And we've got 2 pockets and 2 little labels there, and then these tags with all nice tops and decoration. Little mini file folder type thing, and another one there. So that's those. Then we've got some slotted pockets, these cards, and then some other little bits to put in your slots. Got an envelope. And these are actually, you know, the pages. I've just done them small so they can be used as little embellishments or tiny little journal cards. Then we've got lots of little tags and embellishment pieces. Got a postcard and some postage stamps. Tickets and labels. I don't know if I think that goes there. Some fussy cuts, some nice florals, very vintage looking, and another sheet. And then we've got some butterflies and some labels. And then here's a couple that I've done 2 to a page, just to show you them, you know, smaller. I like to print all my kits out 2 to a page. Okay, so that is Floral Botanical. Thought I'll keep the title short, sweet and simple. If you wanted to join Patreon, you would need level 2 to access the freebies on there. I will leave the link for Patreon down below, and if you click into it, you can see all the different tiers and what you get in each tier. My kits, as soon as I make them, they go into my Patreon shop, cheaper than what they are on Etsy, and then about a month or so later they go up on Etsy, so you get first kind of look at the kits and get to use them first at a cheaper price. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much for having a look. I hope you like it. I was saying to Denise, I'm really enjoying making kits more pinky. Yeah, and it's not really a colour I use, but I'm enjoying creating them. So that's I found that quite strange, really. So yeah, keep making Denise kits, so she'll have kits coming out of her ears. So that's it, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.